Let's quickly review the types of hydrocarbons, the unsaturated and the saturated portion. The unsaturated will have carbon to carbon bonds that will have double bonds, so like this, or a triple bond. Whereas a saturated hydrocarbon will only have carbons that are singly bonded, and you'll have something like hydrogen surrounding it. So those are the two different types of hydrocarbons. If it is a saturated hydrocarbon, we consider them as an alkane. An alkane is subdivided into chained, branched, and cyclic. Chained because it is all chained like this, branched because instead of straight through, there's some branches that come out of it, and cycloalkane because it looks like circular and they're all connected together next to each other. Our focus will be on the alkane now. Within the alkane, and not so much the unsaturated one, within the alkane, remember, these will have single covalent bond between the hydrocarbons. Here is an example of an alkane, a butane, and this one is particularly the chained one. You see 4 carbons right here, right? And all of them are singly bonded. So they fall under the category hydrocarbon, the saturated one, because they're all single bonded and they're alkanes, and this is a chained alkane. Now, the alkanes overall, they have this odorless and mild or very mild odor. They don't have much of a smell. If you were to try to dissolve this in water, you can't. It's very nonpolar, and it's quite flammable. What that means is that they can fuel fire, and you might see butane fuel when you're going out and camping and you have one of those portable stoves. I use this sometimes for camping. And they are very much soluble in non-polar solvents, so they would be soluble in like oil.